everyone, I'm Puja and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be recreating a Cinderella look and I'll be giving it a twist, and this is a part of my Disney Princess makeup series. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I'll be using is aloe vera gel. This is by Patanjali, and after that I'll be using foundation and concealer. First, I will put on the aloe vera gel and let it dry. After that, I will take the foundation and put it all over my face. I'll be using this flat foundation brush and blend the foundation into my face. Next up, I'll be using a concealer to cover all the spots. And with the same brush, I'll blend it. Next up, I'll conceal my entire face with powder. Then I will take this orange shade and place it in the corner of my eyes. Then taking the same shade, I will apply it on my lower lash line. Up next, I'm going to take this beautiful pink color and apply it all over my lids. After applying this pink matte shade, I will take a pink shimmery shade and apply it all over my lid where I have put the pink matte shade to just give it a glow and sparkle. And I'm taking this Maybelline mascara and applying it all over my lashes, just giving them a nice coat. As you can see in the photo, her blush is peachy pink, so I'm going to mix an orange and a pink shade and apply it on my cheeks. After that, I'm taking the highlighter and placing it on the highest point of my face, like my forehead, uh, nose, then cupid's bow, my chin, and also in the inner corner and on my brow bone, and also on the highest point of my cheeks. And then I'm taking a white shade and cleaning the excess of the blush on my face, and then taking a pink, hot pink lipstick, I'm applying it on my lips. To complete this look, I added these cute blue little earrings and a blue pendant, and I also styled my hair just like her. And here is my final look. I hope you all like it, and if you do, make sure you like, comment and share this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. I love you all and goodbye.